Hi everybody, and in this class we are gonna learn a new sound, a sound that does not exist in English. Pay attention to this sound. Ha, 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 ha. It's not H, it is ha, ha. It's not ha. Ha sounds like H, right? But here it is ha. Actually, we get the sound of ha from our deep throat. Like, try to pronounce now ha, ha, and then try to get the sound from a place that below the place that you get ha. So if you go a little bit down, it will be ha, ha, ha. Okay, in order to pronounce this letter correctly, check the video description. I'm gonna let another video that will teach you how to pronounce all the letters correctly. Okay, so our letter is this one. Ha, 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 ha. It looks like J and Kha. This one does not have any dot. Okay, so if I add this mark on the top, now we have ha, ha. Let's write the others. We have J, and we have Kha. Ha, J, Kha. Ha, J, Kha. Let's check another example. Let's see this example together. Do you know this name in Arabic? Ahmed. Ahmed, right? All foreigners, all non-Arabic speakers pronounce it Ahmed. Ahmed. But actually it is not Ahmed. It is, pay attention. Here we don't have H. We have ha, ha. Let me complete the word. So the name is Ahmed. 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 It's not it is It's not Ahmed. 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 And actually the correct is to add A, not E. This is the correct way to say Ahmed. Ahmed. It's not Ahmed. Ahmed. Okay. This is another example to recognize the difference between ha and in Arabic ha. Ha, 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 ha. They are different. Let's write now ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Okay. So we have ha, 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 plus the shape of ha when it is out of the word, or in the end of the word when the previous letter is a refusal letter. Ha, ha, ha. Ha in the beginning of the word, ha in the middle of the word, ha in the end of the word, ha in the end of the word as well. Today we will use this letter. We have Z and the other shape of Z. Now let's write the 5 words. The first word, it will be Z, Z, ha. Z, Z, ha. Z, Z, ha. Z, Z, ha. The second word, it is ha, Z, ha. Ha, Z, ha. Let's check. Ha. Z, ha. Ha, Z, ha. The next is ha, ha, Z. Ha, ha, Z. Ha. Ha, Z. Ha, ha, Z. The next one is ha, Z, Z. ح ز ز ح ز ز ح ز ز. The last one is ز ح ح ز ح ح ز ح ح ز ح ح. So let's read. The first word is ز ز ح ززح ززح ح ز ح حزح حزح ح ح ز ححز ححز ح ز ز حزز حزز ز ح ح زحح زحح. Ha in the beginning of the word, it's always this shape. Ha in the middle of the word, it is this one when the previous letter is a regular letter. This one when the previous letter is a refusal letter. Ha in the end of the word, it is this one when the previous letter is the refusal letter, or this one when the previous letter is a regular letter. So we have here ha in the beginning of the word, ha in the end of the word, it can be this or this, ha in the end of the word, it can be this or this. Okay, let's check another letter. Okay, let's check these words in English. We have yell, file, say, and seed. Okay, so the letter that we are gonna learn today has the sound of the Y and the E in the word yell. This sound, y, 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 y. Okay, and it has part of the sound of I in the word file. File. Pay attention, I say part of the sound of I because we say fi, fi. So as if we have A, but we don't have actually. But pay attention, we say fa, yel. So this part of y, 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 y here, it has the sound of the letter that we are about to learn today. Say, y, 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 y. The sound of Y in the word say. Seed, e, e. This long vowel, okay, it has the same sound of our letter that we are about to learn today. E, e, because the letter that we are going to learn today, it can be a long vowel as well. So the letter that we are going to learn today is this beautiful one, okay? So remember, again, it has the sound of y, y, y. I can substitute the Y and the E, and now you can write yell, 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 yell. Okay, if I will substitute the I by this one, it will not give the same sound of I. Okay, as I said, it has part of the sound because we say fa, y, y. This sound, file, y, yell, yell, yell. Okay, so it gives this sound of, it gives the sound of this letter. Say, say. Let's see if I say like this. It's okay. Say, say. Here it will be like this. And I will add it here. Okay. So it will give us the sound of long vowel. Seed, seed, seed. Okay. Let's add fatha on the top of the letter. So now we have yeah, 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 yeah. Now let's write yeah, 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 yeah. 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 And pay attention now. Yeah. In the beginning, in the middle, in the end. And we have this yeah as well. Okay. So as you see here, the shape of yeah in the beginning looks like the shape of be or te or the, right? And in the middle as well, it looks like be or te or th. Okay? So just we change the position and the quantity of the dots. Yeah, 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 yeah. So now, guys, we have yeah in the beginning, yeah in the middle, yeah in the end, or yeah in the end as well. Okay. We will use today, we will use ra. Let's write the first word. Ra, ra, yeah. Ra, ra, yeah. Ra, ra, yeah. The second word is yeah. Ra, yeah. Yeah. Ra, yeah. Yeah. Ra, yeah. Yeah. Ra, yeah. The next word is yeah. Yeah. Ra. Yeah. Yeah. Ra. Yeah. Yeah. Ra. Yeah. Yeah. Ra. The following one is yeah. Ra. Ra. Yeah. Ra. Ra. Yeah. Ra. Ra. Yeah. Ra. Ra. The last one is ra. Yeah. Yeah. Ra. Yeah. Yeah. Ra. Yeah. Yeah. So let's read together. Ra. Ra. Yeah. Ra. Ra. Yeah. Ra. Ra. Yeah. Yeah. Ra. Yeah. Ya. Ra. Yeah. Ya. Ra. Yeah. 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 Ra. Yeah. Yeah. Ra. Yeah. Yeah. Ra. Yeah. Ra. Ra. Ya. Ra. Ra. Ya. Ra. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Ra. Yeah. Yeah. Ra. Yeah. Yeah. We have yeah in the beginning of the word. As you see, it is the only option. Yeah in the middle of the word. It can be this one when the previous letter is a regular letter, or this one when the previous letter is a refusal letter. Yeah in the end of the word. It can be this one when the previous letter is a regular letter, or this one when the previous letter is a refusal letter. We have yeah in the beginning of the word, yeah in the middle of the word. It can be this or this. Yeah in the end of the word. It can be this or this. And that's for today, and see you in another class. Thank you.